Are you in the demolition or scrap metal business? Or maybe you're just looking to add an attachment to your mini excavator that you can use to sort materials? Well, if so, you're going to want to check out the CAT G306 and G308 grapples. These heavy-duty demolition and sorting grapples use the same DNA found in the large CAT grapples, scaled down to a size to fit CAT mini hydraulic excavators. The G306 and G308 grapples use a high displacement hydraulic motor with a built-in gear reduction to provide the optimal balance between rotating torque and rotating speed. The motor has a built-in crossover relief valve to protect the motor and the gear drive from overpressure and damage. The rotator rides on a precision swivel bearing that's going to provide a long service life of smooth and quiet operation. Both the swivel bearing and the hydraulic motor and gear reduction are greased through easily accessible grease points on the side of the grapple. These grease zerks are protected to prevent them from damage from debris because these grapples go into demolition applications. We use oversized cylinders on these grapples for a very high gripping strength. These cylinders have a built-in lock valve so that they maintain pressure as you're moving material. They also have cushioning on the full retract to dampen out the full open effect. This reduces shock on both the grapple and the machine. The G308 grapple has a max opening width of 61 inches and a max gripping force of 9,800 pounds. The G306 grapple opens to 55 inches and has a max grip force of 6,000 pounds. To handle all that gripping force, we've really designed some heavy-duty structures around these arms. We have heavy-duty torque tubes on both arms, and the connection between the cylinder and the arms is welded 360 degrees. We've also used a lot of very high-strength materials in these grapples. The arm structure is made of AR450 steel, and the edges are made of AR500 steel. Both of these steels are very high strength and very abrasion resistant. That's going to ensure that both these grapple arms have a very long service life. One of the other features that we've added to these G306 and 308 grapples to ensure that they have a long life is the way we've designed these pin joints. They're oversized and greasable, but they also have a 4-bolt locking system on the other side over here. That's going to ensure that all these hinge points stay nice and tight throughout the life of the grapple. Moving on to the grapple arms, let's talk about some of the features that allow you to grip material better with these. We've got serrated edges that are going to allow you to bite in and grab things. And we've also got these bolt-on cutting edges that meet in an even plane at the center of the grapple. That allows you to precisely pick and sort materials such as scrap metal. These cutting edges are bolted on using plow bolt style bolts with recessed nuts on the back side. What that means for you is that when it's time to change these cutting edges, it's going to be easy to get these off and bolt the new ones on without having to fight with bolts that have worn heads or not being able to get an Allen wrench to take a cap screw style bolt out. One of the features on our CAT mini excavators that pairs really nicely with these grapples is the ability to adjust our aux flows. By being able to adjust the aux flows, we can adjust both the grapple speed and the rotation speed independently. That's going to let us fine-tune this grapple to the operator's preference. In addition to all the great design features and quality components, both the CAT G306 and 308 grapples are also covered by a 2-year standard warranty. If you've got a CAT mini excavator and you want to expand your capabilities by adding one of these CAT G306 or G308 grapples, be sure to contact your local CAT dealer for more information.